What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing our January Boxycharm unboxing. I have my Boxy Premium here too. So we're gonna unbox both the base box and the premium box today and see what is inside. I'm so excited. I'm happy that we are in January. We have left 2020 behind. It's a new year and positive vibes and mindset. That's what I'm hoping for. If you guys are new to my channel or to my Boxycharm unboxings, basically Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you can get beauty products, both makeup and skincare, and some lifestyle products too now, which is super exciting, in your box every single month. The base box is $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size products that are typically around $175 average value. And then they also have the premium box, which is a much bigger box. I'll show you guys a little size comparison so you can see. But the premium box is $35 per month, so an additional $10. But you're guaranteed 6 full-size products, and normally it's around a $215 value. I want to give a big shout out to Boxycharm for partnering with me on today's video and sending me these boxes to review for you guys. I'm so excited. So without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, we are going to start with the base box as we normally do and see what's inside. Oh, I love this. So it looks like the theme this month is Fresh Start, which I think we all need. We need a reset and a fresh start, so I love that. And then it's just a list of all the products inside that we can reference for pricing on them. Ooh, okay, so right on top I see the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I got shade medium, which should work for me. This is actually really exciting because if you guys watch like my beauty channel, then you probably wouldn't think that I would use a tinted moisturizer because I normally do like full glam, full coverage type looks, but that is not how I look normally. Like I only really look like this when I'm filming or when I have somewhere to go, which now I don't ever have anywhere to go. I stay in my house for 90% of the time. So I really only get glam to film. All the other times I have no makeup or very minimal makeup. So I love tinted moisturizers for more of like an everyday. I'm gonna put a little on my hand to see how it looks. I also don't self-tan my face, but I do self-tan my body. So a lot of times I need a little something on my face to help like match them if I'm just, you know, running to the food store or something. Ooh, this looks really creamy. Doesn't have a scent to it, which is great. I prefer my products to be unscented. That's what it looks like on my hand. And this looks like this shade should match me actually pretty well. On my hand, it probably looks a little dark because my self-tanner is fading off of my hands, as it always does because I always use so much hand sanitizer now. But I think on my face compared to my neck, it'll match really nicely. So that's actually really exciting. And something that honestly I'll probably get a ton of use out of because that's what I wear normally on a daily basis. Comment down below what your favorite tinted moisturizer is. I'd love to check it out, but I'm excited to give this one a try. I've never tried it. I've tried a lot of Pure's products. I like a lot of their products, so hopefully I like this one. Oh, amazing, and it has SPF 20 in it too, because just because it's cold outside does not mean the sun is out. There's your little PSA, just because it's not summertime, you still need to be putting SPF on your skin. It's honestly best to use like a literal sunscreen plus products with SPF, but I mean, just that added SPF is amazing. Okay, up next we have Trust Fund Beauty. All right, I've never heard of this brand before, but I like that about Boxycharm is a lot of times I'll discover new brands in here that I haven't heard of. Like I have some products from brands I know and love like Pure, but then new brands like this that I haven't tried. So this is their Lipgasm. Oh, it's a lip gloss in the shade Unprofessional. Okay, so let's check it out. I just have like a matte lip on, so ooh, she is bold, but we're gonna put her on top of this matte lip that I have going on. This is giving me summertime vibes, but honestly, that's what I need. Oh, it's pretty. And it's not like too crazy, you know? Like it's not like this bright neon coral on my lips. Definitely feels really nice. Not sticky, but very like nourishing feeling, which I like. This is pretty. I'll have to check out some of their other stuff because it looks nice. Summer, I'm ready for you, please. Hurry up. Ooh, okay, up next, I see the Pharmacy Deep Sweep BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. I love Pharmacy products. This whole line from them is really, really nice. Like this like green packaging. They have like a moisturizer. I think it's called the green, what is it called? Ah, I see it. It's like in my vanity. I like see it in my head. Something Total Greens or something like that from Pharmacy, and I really like that. And this toner is from the same line. Ooh, it's like a, the bottle feels bougie. It's like a glass, I think, like bottle. So this has 2% BHA in it. So BHA is actually really great to exfoliate your skin. It's like a chemical exfoliant. So instead of going in with like those exfoliating like granules, which honestly until up about like a year ago was like the only way I knew how to exfoliate my skin, was just like going in with those rough like scrubs, which that'll work. But I feel like adding products like this that can help to exfoliate my dead skin is a lot easier for me and not as harsh on my skin. So I'm excited to give this a try and check it out. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I forgot. I'm not telling you guys the pricing on these products. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is $28, the toner. The lip gloss was $18, and the tinted moisturizer was $35. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, up next, ooh, exciting, Violet Voss. I love Violet Voss. Is this an eyeshadow palette? Yes, oh my gosh, okay. I love their eyeshadow palettes. I've used them for years. This is not one that I have. It's called Olive You Forever, so I'm assuming it's gonna be green, which I feel like green is one of those eyeshadow colors, because you guys know me if you watch my channel. I do mostly neutral looks. That's just in my heart, but green is a color that I will use. Because even though it's like bright and colorful, I feel like I still feel like confident in it, you know? Oh, and this, honestly, this has a lot of neutrals in it, so I don't even have to worry about it. This will definitely get used. You have a lot of neutrals, but then you do have those pops of green, like if you wanna try them. Ooh, she is pigmented. Wow, let's do a matte to see. Really, really pretty. I'm really excited to try this. Nice mirror, 12 different shades, and I love the Violet Voss eyeshadow formula, so I'm really, really excited about this. That's really cool. And the value on that is $34. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Okay, that's cool. This is another brand that I haven't tried before. It's Seraphine Botanicals, and it's a lip mask. So it says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with apricot, jojoba, and rose hip oils. So I'm trying to figure out, is this like one that you leave on, or do you like put it on and then take it off? Let's see. Oh, I think this is just like, I think you can just put it on and leave it on your lips. I don't think you have to take it off because it doesn't say like a time period or whatever. We gotta check this out. I'm intrigued. The value on this is $25. So that's kind of expensive for a lip mask. So hopefully it's actually good. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It smells really, really nice. I wish you guys could smell this. I'm gonna put some on. Let me take this lippy off that we have going on right here. I liked my little lippy combo with that gloss, but I wanna try this mask out. All right, put a little bit of it on. Oh yeah, it's literally just like clear. Oh my God, this literally like smells so fruity and delicious. I'm obsessed. That literally makes my lips look so juicy too. It's literally just like the most glossy. Ooh, and it feels so nice. Okay, I'm really vibing with this. I really like this. And I like the way it looks. Like, I know it's not supposed to be for looks, but I think it makes my lips look really nice. Like, that's just on my natural lip color. So this is gonna go right in my little drawer right next to my bed. Like my little end table, I put like all my lip masks and like lip balms and stuff in there. So this is going right in there because this is really nice. Feels really nice on my lips too. Okay, so let's add up the value of everything in the base box and see how much it is all worth. Okay, so we have the Violet Voss palette for $34. We have the Pharmacy toner for $28, the tinted moisturizer for $35, the lip mask for $25, and the lip gloss for $18, for a total of $140. Again, for $25 per month. All right, so now let's move on to Miss Premium and see what she has in store for us. All right. Ooh, I see something exciting right on top. Oh my God, wait. Okay, wait. There's a lot of actually really, I saw one thing and then because there's this like flap right here that kind of covers the stuff, and now I'm seeing like everything, and okay, Premium is like actually really good this month. I don't even know where to start. Okay. So the initial thing that I saw that excited me was, this is so awesome. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Butter. I'm really, really happy right now. This is such an incredible product. I love this powder. If you guys watch my channel, I do a lot of drugstore stuff, but this is a powder that I spend my money on at Sephora. Like, this is so, so good and so beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is basically Fenty Beauty's like setting powder, and the shade Butter is the one that I love, and I love to use this underneath my eyes. It just gives the most brightening, beautiful effect. I'll put a little bit, I have like a lot of powder on my face right now anyways, but I'll put a little bit on my under eyes to show you guys. It just gives the most beautiful blurring effect to the skin. It's really, really nice. So let me show you what I mean. And it can of course be used all over your face as well. I just specifically love this one for underneath my eyes. Let me get a little brush if I can find one. Ooh, and it smells so good. Like that Fenty scent is just like chef's kiss. Not meant to be eaten, just wanna, you know, clarify that. Don't go and eat it. But it does smell really, really good. And I'm just gonna add some under my eyes, and you can like bake with this or just set if you don't want to like fully bake. But like I said, I have a lot of powder and I probably went in with too much. But leave this on your eyes. Like a lot of times I'll leave it on for like 2 or 3 minutes and I'll go in and buff it off, and it just brightens and blurs and is beautiful. Obviously I'm putting it over a bunch of other powder right now, so I'm gonna like blur some of that off. But this is an incredible powder. I've used it in a lot of my videos, so I'm sure if you guys watch my videos normally, you've seen it on my channel. I'm gonna just put some on the other eye as well, so I don't just have this one bright under eye. But ooh, super stoked about this. This is incredible. And Fenty is honestly becoming one of my favorite brands. Like their stuff is so good. Like everything I try from them, I'm like, this is so good. And that's definitely one of my favorites. So I love that. The value on that is $32. Oh my gosh, okay, we have another Fenty product, which is really awesome. This is the Fenty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So it's the Fenty Mascara. Ooh, Miss Rihanna coming through in Boxycharm this month. So that is awesome. Love to see it. So the value on this is $24. Okay, then the next product that I saw that really intrigued me, I have been wanting to try this for so long. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So this is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Everybody talks about this, that this is like the best moisturizing, nourishing mask. And I have dry skin, and so I know that I need to try it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I always see like people posting this like on their Instagram stories and stuff. It's supposed to be incredible, and I have dry skin, so I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand because I can't wait. We need to experience it together for the first time just to see, but I cannot wait. But I'm so excited. And I'm pretty sure this is a mask that you can leave just on your skin. Like you don't have to wash it off. Somebody let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure like you can just like put it on your skin like before you go to bed and just like leave it on all night. You don't have to like wash it off. Literally feels like butter. Like actual butter blending on my skin. Okay, totally using this tonight, like 1000%. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. And the value on this is $48. Wow, okay, that's really, really exciting. I cannot wait to try this. And it says you can use it on your eye area too, which is awesome. Oh wait, on here it says leave on for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Blot with a warm cloth if necessary. Oh, no need to rinse. Okay, so yeah, you don't have to rinse it off. Ooh, okay, trying this tonight for sure. Love that, okay. Next we have this PMD Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. So I've seen these going around, and honestly they seem a lot better than using a makeup wipe every single night. Like it's so much less waste, but I've never tried one. So I guess you just like wet these or put your cleanser on this and then use this to remove everything. And then you can just like machine wash it. So the value on this is $30. I'll need to read up like more information. Yeah, dampen cloth with warm water, gently wipe off makeup. So I guess maybe you don't even need to put anything besides warm water on it, and then it says machine wash as needed, but that this is supposed to be antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. So that's really cool. I'll definitely test this out and see, because I would love an alternative to having to use a makeup wipe every single night just so I can like create less waste. So that's really cool. Ooh, and this goes right along with it. I actually have this, so I feel like I got this in a Boxycharm, and I love this. This is the Ren Skincare Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So when I cleanse my skin, when I have a bunch of makeup on like I do today, I like to double cleanse. So I'll use an oil-based cleanser first, something that's like this. This one's like a thicker like jelly, and I'll use that to get all like the hard to get off makeup. Like if you have like waterproof mascara or something that's not that easy to get off, this works like a charm. And then I'll go in and cleanse with like a regular cleanser. I like to do that kind of double cleanse just when I'm wearing a lot of makeup. And this one is great. This is gonna take off whatever you got going on, because some makeup, especially waterproof, is hard to get off. So you need something like this in your corner. So that's really exciting, and I already know that I love it. So the value on that is $32. So maybe I can use that in combo with this little guy. And then last but certainly not least, I see something from one of my favorite brands. So we have Ofra. I don't know what this is. This is the Mini Mix Palette. Ooh, this is beautiful. I've never seen this. So I don't know if Ofra has this like for sale on their website. This is so pretty. So we have a little highlight wheel from them in the center, which is really cool. You get 4 different highlight shades. We have a blush shade, a bronzer, and then 6 different eyeshadows. I love Ofra highlights. Like they're literally the most beautiful highlights of all time. Like they're stunning, blinding. Y'all need to try them. So this is really, really cool. This is in Boxycharm this month. And this palette's really nice too, like especially for travel, when hopefully this year we can travel again. Like, let's hope. I'm gonna try and stay optimistic. Yes, hopefully I'll use this when traveling sometime this year if possible, when it's safe. But that's awesome, so love to see that. Okay, this month's premium box was really good. So comment down below your thoughts, but I'm very impressed with the premium box this month. Like all the stuff was really, really good. So let's add up the values. We have $48 for the jet lag mask. Can't wait to use that. We have $39 for the Ofra palette. We have $32 for the Fenty powder. Oh my God, I already forgot about that too. Dang, okay, this was good. $32 for the jelly cleanser, $24 for the Fenty mascara, and then $30 for the makeup removing cloth, for a total of $205, again for $35 per month. So wow, that was good. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you guys get your Boxycharm box this month? What did you get? I would love to hear. I will have a link to Boxycharm in my description box if you guys are interested to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.